name is Nana Ama Akumah. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple sushi at home. There are a lot of different recipes that I use in making sushi, but today I'm going to teach you a simple method that I use in making my sushi so that you can enjoy with your family at home. As you already know, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Before we start, let me show you the ingredients that I'm going to use today for my sushi. Showing you the ingredients, I'm going to start by mixing my rice vinegar with my salt and sugar together. So I'm going to put my half teaspoon of salt first. So now I'm going to add my sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. My sugar is mixed up with the brown and the white sugar. Mostly they use the white sugar, but I prefer to mix up the brown sugar and the white sugar. So that is 2 tablespoons of sugar. At this point, I'm going to add my rice vinegar, tablespoon 1. So now that I've finished mixing my salt, sugar and rice vinegar, I'm going to put it on fire to dissolve the salt and sugar. So you're going to stir it till it dissolves with the rice vinegar. So after the sugar and salt is mixed up with the rice vinegar, you're going to pour it in a bowl and you put it in the fridge to cool down. It shouldn't be hot, it should cool down before mixing it with the rice. So I'm going to put it in the fridge and I'll start with other things. So I'm going to start by cutting my cucumber and avocado. Mostly people add carrots to it, but today I'm just going to use these 2 and add it to my chicken. So you're going to cut it. It should be very thin, and so it should be something like this. Then you cut it into 2. Size the same length. So before cutting it, I'm going to peel off the skin. I'm going to cut it into tiny slices. So now I'm going to make our sauce for our sushi today. I'm going to use the soy sauce and the wasabi. Wasabi is really hot chili. Mostly people eat it like that, but because the hotness is too much, I'm going to mix up the soy sauce to it to bring the hotness down. So I'm going to pour half tablespoon of soy sauce into my bowl. So that is half tablespoon. So I'm going to add my wasabi sauce with my soy sauce. So when you buy it, it's in a tube like this. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of wasabi sauce. So now our mixture for the rice vinegar is ready to mix up with our rice. As you can see, it's already cooled down. So this is 1 cup of rice. It's cooked, as you can see. So at this point, I'm going to add the rice vinegar with the salt and sugar mixed together. I'm going to add it to my rice. It's going to appear wet, but as you use your fork to stir gently, it will dry and become sticky. So after mixing it up, you're going to put it aside and cover it with a napkin. So I'm now going to cover it with a napkin to get the vinegar dried up in the rice before we start. So I'm going to start by rolling my sushi. Today I'm going to use my rolling mat, but if you don't have a rolling mat, you can use a napkin. If you don't have a rolling mat, you can use a napkin. It's all going to work. So at this point, I'm going to place my yakinori on my rolling mat. It's made of seaweed. Okay, so after putting it on your rolling mat, you're going to add your rice, but make sure you got water that you're going to put your hands in, because the rice is going to be very sticky. So as you can see my rice, you should get that. It should be sticky like that. So at this point, I'm going to add my ingredients. I'm going to start with my chicken. Some people do use prawns, some people use fresh salmon. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to start by placing it on it like that. You're going to start by rolling it. So you're going to hold the rolling mat. You hold this side. Then you put it on it. Make sure it's firm. So it's going to be like this for your first row. Like that. Then you roll it up to the end. So you make sure you put your rolling mat on it to squeeze it out to make sure it's tight. after rolling it, you're going to take it off and put it on your chopping board. Then you cut it into the number of pieces that you want. So at this point I'm going to cut into 4 pieces. I'm first going to divide it into 2. So start cutting into 2. So I'm going to divide it again. So after that, your sushi is ready to be served. Yay! As you can see, my sushi is done and ready to be eaten. Most people eat their sushi with soy sauce or wasabi sauce by itself, but because the heat of the wasabi is too much, so I prefer to mix both of them to bring the heat down a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. Thank you so much for commenting and liking my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. The name has always been Nana Ama Akumah. I'll see you the same time next week. Bye.